Push-ups are one of the simplest exercises you can do anywhere. No equipment needed. They build your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your core. But here's the problem. Most people are doing them wrong. And if you're making these mistakes, you're not building strength. You're wasting energy and possibly hurting yourself. Today, I'll show you the 5 biggest push-up mistakes people make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Staring straight ahead. A lot of people think they need to look up during push-ups, almost like they're trying to see the wall in front of them. But when you crane your neck like that, your spine falls out of alignment and your neck muscles get stressed. Instead, pick a spot on the floor just slightly in front of your hands and keep your gaze locked there. That way, your head stays in line with your spine and the whole body moves as one solid unit. Mistake 2. Elbows sticking out. Another classic mistake, elbows flying out to the side like chicken wings. This position puts unnecessary pressure on your shoulder joints and makes the movement less efficient. The fix? Tuck your elbows closer to your body. About a 45-degree angle from above, your body should look more like an arrow than a T-shape. This not only protects your shoulders, but also engages your chest and triceps the way push-ups are meant to. Mistake 3. Dropping the hips. Ever see someone doing push-ups with their hips sagging toward the floor? That's a recipe for lower back pain. When your hips collapse, your core and glutes switch off, and your spine takes the load. Instead, brace your abs, squeeze your glutes, and think of forming a perfectly straight line from the top of your head all the way down to your heels. If someone placed a broomstick along your back, it should touch your head, upper back, and glutes evenly. Mistake 4. Shoulders caving in. When fatigue sets in, a lot of people roll their shoulders forward. This robs your chest of the work and shifts the load onto smaller stabilizing muscles that can't handle it for long. To fix this, pull your shoulder blades back and down before you even start your first rep, and keep that tightness the entire time. Think of pushing the floor away while keeping your chest proud. That shoulder position protects your joints and keeps your chest firing properly. Mistake 5. Straight up and down motion. Push-ups aren't supposed to be robotic up and down movements. If you're only pressing vertically, you're cutting your chest short of full activation. The better way? As you push up, drive your body slightly forward as if you're trying to push the ground away from you. This subtle forward angle makes your chest work harder and gives you that fuller range of motion. Small change, huge difference. So, let's recap. Keep your head in line, elbows tucked, hips strong, shoulders pulled back, and push slightly forward instead of just up and down. Fix these 5 mistakes, and suddenly your push-ups will actually build your chest, arms, and core instead of just tiring you out. And if you want to take it further, check out my next video where I break down the hidden mistakes that are ruining the rest of your workouts, and how to fix them once and for all. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.